So what does the A off button do in your Ford F-150? This is the engine start stop button. Unfortunately, in EcoBoost engines you will have the start stop system that you can't deactivate easily. So every time you start the car, this start stop system will be activated, and what you need to do, you need to press this button every time to deactivate it. And I actually recommend you press this button quite often, because if you don't deactivate the start stop system, your starter is gonna suffer, your battery is gonna suffer, and there are a lot of things that will happen with this car if the start stop system is not turned off. So this is not a hybrid vehicle. It doesn't have the high voltage system, and it doesn't have the starter generator. It has the simple starter, simple battery, and it's not actually made for a lot of start-stop cycles. So I strongly recommend you press this button almost every time you drive your car, at least in the city.